timed these lights here today, the red light.
Oh, did you?
With a student, because he was like, "Oh man, it's never taken long." Yeah. Checking the time. It only took like a minute and a half.
Oh my God.
It's like, really?
Well, when you're waiting at a red light, it like... Oh.
Yeah. Time gets all distorted.
Yeah, exactly. Same with like when you're waiting for something in the microwave. It goes by so slow.
Oh yeah, and it's only like 3 minutes or something, eh?
Or sometimes like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
And then I'm going right
there. Yeah. Okay. We'll go and park beside that blue truck there again.
I'm just gonna avoid that pothole.
Yeah. You go swimming in that one. It's so big.
Yes, seriously.
Okay, so yeah, just like me.
That's good.
Yeah. You got it, man. You got it. Yep.
And park. Doo-doo.
Boom. That's good.
Okay.
Right on. Let's take off.
And then you have enough room to get up
Yes,
there?
I do.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, that's ideal, man.
Okay, perfect.
We lost our one of our vehicles over there, but we'll go do the forward parking again.
Okay, just to...
Yeah. Just pretend like there's a car there.
Yeah.